welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Chelsea, and if you're new around here, we like to do beauty related content on this channel. If that's something that you like, then please hit subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, then please click on the little bell and you'll be notified of every time that I upload. So today we're going to go through my everyday makeup drawer and do a shop my stash and makeup rotation for me to test out some new products or other products that I haven't picked up in ages that I really fancy using, and yeah, just test those out for a few weeks, and then hopefully a few of the new products will be in my speed reviews. So I've got my little basket ready, so I'm just going to empty out what's in here first. I'll give a little brief overview and then we'll go over to my makeup storage. So just gonna put you down there. Yeah, okay, so the Body Shop All Day Long spray. A lot of this stuff was recently in my latest speed review. So the P. Hold You Down Brow Fix. We had a range of different foundations. So the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic one, the Body Shop Fresh Nude one, and a Fine Art Beauty Skin Tint. Since my last video, I did also chuck in the NARS Light Reflecting Foundation. Now, at first I didn't really like this, but I love this now. I've been using it every day. It's such a good foundation. I don't know why I didn't like it before. I just didn't like the way that it's set on my skin, but I don't know if it's because I've upped my skincare, like I said before, but this is amazing. Then we've got the Dynessa Myrix Lip and Cheek Palette, the LMS Superfood Glow Prime Moisturiser, which I didn't like, the Pat McGrath Labs Concealer, which I'm nearly all out of, which is sad. This is one that I chucked in since my last video, the Beauty Crop Gripping Primer, the Wee Cherie one, which is amazing. My favourite powder, which I'm nearly out of, and it's the Primark Skin Conditioning Powder. A Kylie highlighter, which is good. The Vive blush, which is a beautiful blush. Stay concealer, it's not that great, it's just not the best. A Charlotte Tilbury contour wand. This is something that I also added in because I purchased it like a few weeks ago, and it's the Super Stay Hybrid Powder Foundation, the Glow Wish powder, the pink camo concealer, which I've absolutely been loving. I'm so glad I put this in Shop My Stash so I could properly test it. The butter bronzer, which I'm nearly out of. It's like really hit pan. We had a couple of palettes, so the Natasha Denona Mini Sunset palette, which was really beautiful, like that cranberry shade was so nice. The Revolution 90s Baby, you know what, I didn't actually reach for this, which is really bad. I did not reach for it because it was too dark for like day-to-day wear. I think the only shade that I actually used was this beigey shade, just to put in my crease quickly before I went to work. The Beauty Bay Lip Oil and also the Too Faced Peach and Bloom Lip Cheek and Tint. These are perfect for everyday use. ABH Brow Freeze as well, that was in there. And also the Second Skin Body Shop Tint, which I'm not too sure. I think I'm going to keep this in there because I didn't properly get a chance to test it out. So I'm going to keep this in there. And then I've also kept in here the P. Louise Mochaccino Brow Pencil because I've actually run out the other colours that suit me. So this is the only one that I have left, so there's no point swapping that over. And also my Maybelline Mascara Sky High one because it's nearly out, so I might as well use it all up. And then I have got in this section here the P. Louise Bridal XL palette and my Doll Beauty face palette, mainly because they're such large palettes that I just keep them in there for convenience. Right, so now let's transport this over there, put it all back, and then get some new products out. Oh, for primers, I definitely want to try out this new one from MUA. This is the Glow Dew Illuminating Primer, so I'm going to test this out because I want to do a video on it. And then I'm also going to put in this other MUA one, which I've not tried yet, and this is the Pro Base Mattifying Flawless Primer. So hopefully this one will work well for like my pores, and then I can put the other one everywhere else. And then for foundations, we might as well go in with the MUA one because, yeah, I'm going to do like a full face of MUA product. And I've had this for ages, this foundation. I've never tried it. So this is in the shade 120. So hopefully it will work well. And then I'm also going to pop in the H&B Cosmetics Luminous Soft Focus Airbrush Foundation because, yeah, this is a goodie, so I want to test it out a bit more. And then for setting sprays, let's go with the ABH Dewy Set Spray. And I'm also going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Spray. And then for concealers, again, I'm going to use this new MUA concealer because I've not used it yet. It's still sealed. I only bought this the other day, but it's a full coverage concealer, so hopefully this will work well with the foundation. And then I'm also going to pop in the Rimmel Multitasker Concealer because this is an oldie but a goodie. And then for a lip oil choice, I'm going to go in with, I'm going to pop this NYX mini lip oil because I've not tried this one yet. And then that's for the start of the base. So for this bit, I'm going to do 4 creams. I'm going to go in with the new Beauty Bay cream blush in the shade Spring, and an MUA one in the shade Misty Rose. And I'm also, I know it's a lot, but this is going to last me for like a month. I'm also going to try the new Vive Sunset Blush Balm. This is in the shade Pesca, which is like a corally one. And then for powders, let's go with, seeing as I've got the HMB foundation, let's go with the HMB Fat Powder. And I'm also going to use the RCMA Press Powder because I've not used this one for a while. And yeah, I used to really like that. Then for a cream bronze, we're going to use the MUA one. This is sealed, not used this before. So this is actually a foundation stick in a darker shade, but yeah, I'm excited to try that. And then for powder blush, it's got to be the 2 new ones, which is the MUA Makeup Academy ones. We've got a peachy one and a pink. For bronzer, let's go for this Milani Baked one. I've not used this for ages, but this used to be a really good one. For highlighter, I'm going to get out this MUA one, but it has got quite a pink reflect to it. It's like an iridescent kind of one, but just look how nice that melts into your skin. So we're going to use that one, but then I want like a day-to-day one, so I'm going to pull out the Sephora one. So I don't think I've really properly used this one before. Which is a nice gold tone one there. So yeah, let's go with the Sephora one. And then in terms of brow stuff, I'm going to use this Benefit Brow Setter, which I've not used before. I've got a brow pencil already, but I'm also going to chuck in this Relove one by Revolution because I've not tried this yet. And then I'm also going to try and use up this, looks disgusting, but try use up this BFL brow gel as well. And then in terms of palettes, I'm going to dish these ones out. So we've got the 2 singles of the MUA one and then the large one as well. So yeah, we're going to play around with these. I'm going to do some videos on them, but I just want to use them for day-to-day as well and see how I'll get on and how I can incorporate them in just my day-to-day wear. So that is it, ready for the next few weeks. So some of it I will do separate videos on, but yeah, I just want to test it out for day-to-day wear as well. So yeah, let me know if you tried any of these products and if any of them are your favourites. Don't forget to make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the big thumbs up button. And until then, hopefully I shall see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!